Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted messages on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Once the app is opened, just hit right here at your profile picture, and then all you have to do is hit right here at that menu icon and select your activity. And on that step you can scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find download your information feature. You can download a copy of your information that you have shared with Instagram. So just get into it. And on that step you have to type in your email at email field, and Instagram will send you a link to a file with your photos, comments, profile information and all your other Instagram data. So I'm gonna put in my email, and after that I'm gonna tap at request download. Now on that step I have to enter my Instagram password. You can tap right here at text field and enter yours, and after that the request will be sent to Instagram, and after that you have to wait up to 14 days until all the data will be collected. After that you will get a link on your email, and you can hit on that link and download all your Instagram data, including your deleted messages. So now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.